I have opened the YouTube channel named Learning with Shirajum Monir mainly for academic purposes. It is in fact an academic channel, but I would like to share not only the academic lectures in the channel but also some sort of motivational speeches here. I think the channel will be very much helpful for the students who are interested in academic purposes, particularly related to English language and English literature, will get the benefit from the channel. And other students and other persons will also get some motivational speeches so that they will be motivated to do something to march forward in their life. And I will share all of my lectures as well as motivational speeches in the channel so that I can make a bridging with the contemporary students of nowadays. And I would also like to express some sort of techniques through which the students will be benefited. And some innocent entertainments can also be shared in the channel so that people will be motivated more. And I hope the students as well as other persons who will be interested to get some sort of lectures like this from my channel, I suggest all of them to subscribe to the channel so that they can get the lectures regularly. And thank you all, and thanks a lot for your patient hearing.